Knives and anvils are more than just standard replacement parts on flow wrappers. Cutting problems reduce output, degrade seal quality, and can shut a wrapper down. Even settling for minimally acceptable knife performance can prevent you from meeting production goals. When you work with Greener Corporation, we design and manufacture precision knives and anvils that integrate your machinery type and condition, packaging materials, and other circumstances to optimize package quality and productivity. We will recommend customized knife and anvil designs that solve current packaging problems, prevent future issues, and create production efficiencies you may not have thought possible. To ensure that knives and anvils are available when you need them, we ship many of these recommended styles from stock and provide fast, responsive delivery for special designs. Knives with a diagonal or biased edge require less pressure to cut, so they reduce wear and facilitate more consistent, accurate setups for both knives and sealing jaws. If you need knives that help consumers tear open your packages, Greener will recommend the cutting-edge design that provides an optimal combination of tearability, easy setup, and knife longevity. Knife adjustment method can also affect performance. In some cases, shim adjusting knives provide a more accurate setup, since screw adjustments require greater expertise and familiarity. Greener will help you determine the optimal knife adjustment method for your application, and our project development team will help you standardize knife and anvil design across different flow wrapper makes and models. Standardization can improve the consistency and accuracy of your adjustments, reduce inventory costs, and streamline training. To learn more about how knife and anvil design, precision, and availability can improve your package quality and productivity on flow wrappers, contact Greener Corporation. We provide integrated parts and technical services worldwide.